Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Is new video about ABAP stuff. This is about string operations. I have tried to make videos on different contents, including installations, coding standards, code validations, coding quality, all those stuff. I'm for next few videos. I will go to the core ABAP, some of the key tactical things which you might need for interviews and which in a short time will help you. You can just go through once and brush up. It won't take more than few minutes and you are ready for the interview with all your means, all your arms. So without any delay, we'll start this video. Just one thing, if you like this video, please do subscribe and you can share with your developer friends. So let's start. Today we'll talk about string operations. The things that we can do is concatenate, alignment, split, replace, translate, condense and offset. We'll do one by one. Concatenate, as you guys know, concatenating two strings. You write concatenate text1, text2 into text3. It will simply concatenate or add both of them into text3. If you write concatenate text1, text2 into text3 separated by space, this is something a lot of developers face. To concatenate two text with space in between, they do quotation space, which is not ideal. You can do this way. This is the best. It makes it a whole easier. Alignments, if you want to write your text with alignment or left justified or right justified, center justified, you can use this technique. You just write as an example in the write statement, you are printing a variable num and then you mention the alignment left justified or right justified. As an example, you can see here we are printing two variables, one is left justified, other is right justified. So this is all about alignments. Let's check out the split part. So this split is splitting a text at a specific place or a specific character into two or more than two pieces. For this example, you are splitting it at a character. The character is space. So you can split in any position as well, but character splitting at a character is highly used. In the coding example, you can see txt is split into txt2 and txt3 and the point is space. This was about split. Let's go for the replace. Replace is replacing one character with something else. So it is like you can point a specific character and replace it by something. You can do it once or you can do it all of the cases. For all of the cases, you can use replace all occurrences of something in the text, string, with the to be replaced with character. Like replace all occurrences of A in the string with B. That's an example you can do. This you can utilize in the string variables. This is about concatenation. This a lot of developers face about saving into the table. Many of the time they use mask. Mask is another function. I will create a separate video for masking. So instead of mask, you can do this. You can concatenate the date variable. As you all know, the date default table structure is 4 Ys, 2M and 2D. You can split into three parts. First 4 year, then month, then day, and split it other way around. And you can print as it is. Here it is printed in with colons. You can print with your character. That makes the thing easy. And you can print in any format. You don't need to go for very high calculations. This will do everything. Now let's talk about condense and offset functions. So first one is offset. The first line indicates take the 3 characters from the beginning of txt string. So whatever is the string, consider condense is a string, it will take these 3. And the second part, it will do the same on the txt string, but the point of taking it is 3. That means after 3, take the next 4. So it will take these ones. So this is offset, and let's go for the condense. So consider there is a text with space. Condense function will remove the spaces and you can print it. You have to use no gaps along with it. It will remove all the gaps in between and make your work easier. So that was all for today. If you have any questions, please do ask in the comments, and any suggestions from your side, I'll be happy to work on those. If you like it, please do subscribe and like our video to pass it to someone else, and you can share with your friends always. That's all for today. We'll see you on the next video. Until then, bye bye.